The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to be released early next year, and as the launch date near, leaks about the new flagship continue to emerge. Remarkably reliable Samsung leaker Ice Universe has posted new renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra on WBO, according to 9 to 5. Ice Universe, a few weeks back, provided initial renders of the updated phone, which included the S Pen. The latest photographs show the phone side, with the volume and power buttons on the right. The side appears flatter than the S24 Ultra, although this could be due to rendering software rather than an intentional design change. One of the most noticeable alterations appears to be the curving of the edges, which deviates from the squared-off corners that have distinguished the Ultra series since the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This design choice harks back to the abandoned Note series, which may make a comeback to replace the Plus model in Samsung's portfolio, as do new rounded edges. Ice Universe did not give any photographs of the phone's back, claiming that the design is still incomplete. Thus, it is unclear how the phone's back will vary from prior models. After several years of similar designs, a new look for Samsung's flagship could be on the way. The Galaxy S24 Ultra was introduced earlier than normal in January this year. If Samsung sticks to the same schedule, the S25 lineup could also debut in January, though the company could return to its customary February release date. They also indicated ambitions to leverage the greatest application processors and memory to improve artificial intelligence performance and provide a superior user experience. However, it was unclear whether these changes would apply to the full Galaxy S25 series or simply the Ultra model. According to some sources, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 50-megapixel 3x camera and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, up from the 10 and 12-megapixel cameras on the S24 Ultra. These enhancements would complement the new 50-megapixel 5x periscope camera. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.